What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here hanging out with us for another video today. My name's Cora, and we're going to be going through the Del Sol build from start to finish. I'm really excited to make this video because this car means the world to me. This is going to be a lot of fun looking back on all of the progress that we've made and how far the car's come, and just being able to put it all together. It's going to be cool. We're going to go ahead and start whenever we picked up the car, and I'm going to flash back to a few pictures from that. First pass ever, so wish me luck. I think they're good. I absolutely love my new steering wheel. It's gonna look so good once it's painted. Here she is, guys. butt off lately, so this car is filthy. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up real quick before we take it out, so that way it's looking its best. Let you know what's in here. It's got a stock B20 bottom end with a stock B16 head. It's got Type R camshafts and an eBay TO4E turbo. It's running on 9 PSI right now. And the fastest pass that it's ever gone before now is a 14.7 on 3 PSI. Let's try to beat my record.
Got Cora ready to go again. Hopefully she won't blow the tires off so much.
Yep.
Doesn't she look pretty?
Really bad.
Look at that. Blue helmet, blue car, pretty girl. How can you not like Blondie's Garage, guys? Here we go.
He did a burnout. He's gonna tree her probably. So he got a double bolt. At 101. Well, you've got a consistent 13-second car. What do you think?
I love it. I'm having so much fun. Started and ended with a 13.8.
I think that's a good note to leave on.
Yep, and nothing blew up.
Nothing broken. Looks like you could drive it home.
All right. My Honda is just hanging out in here. I'm super excited that I've got my own. It's been really nice. But everything is pretty good right now in the Del Sol. I don't want to jinx myself, but I've been having a lot of fun with it. If you guys haven't seen my latest track video that I did a couple weeks ago, make sure you go check that out. I got my new fastest time, which was a 13.6. I was really excited about that. But the track's closed for winter, and really there's nothing else going on with the Del Slow, so we're just gonna be driving it, playing with it, street tuning it. Alrighty guys, that's gonna wrap this video up. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Give me a big thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next one.